Everyone, good evening, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Blog. For today's blog, I'm showing you my new members of the family. It is the new mini cactus. It's the new mini cactus right here for indoor. The new mini cactus for indoor is beautiful. Only you need to water for like once a month. So this kind of plant is for uh uh you don't need a lot of water, only water like once a month. So it's like for in the desert. So like for indoor, beautiful indoor mini cactus. So is beautiful and nice, perfectly great for your uh indoor plant, for your room or living room or whatever you want for the house. It's beautiful and perfectly great and nice and beautiful. It's real, very real. It's mini cactus. Beautiful cactus is mini cactus. I forgot the name. They have their own name, but I forgot the name. So it's like I call them mini cactus for indoor. So beautiful and perfectly great for your small space. So beautiful and perfectly nice. So mini cactus for indoor. So we got this from Trader's Joe. Is my favorite store. Trader's Joe is my favorite store. So we shop there once a week. So nice and beautiful is uh for indoor plant. Mini cactus. It's mini cactus, perfectly great for your indoor. And the other one is the same. So it's like beautiful press and real cactus, perfectly great in your uh, living room, bedroom, kitchen, or wherever you want to put. Is perfectly okay. So mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello there, and my social media account, followers, and TikTok and Instagram. Hello to you all, and shout out to all my followers, my subscribers, and viewers, and everything. Thank you very much for all your time to watch my video and for more support. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next video and for you guys to watch. So please pull the notification bell and subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching, everyone. It's me again. It's been a vlog saying hello and hi, and how you guys doing, and hope everyone is in good health and okay. And good morning to you all, and good morning in the PI time, and good evening here in Maryland, USA, and afternoon somewhere in UK, wherever you are. Stay safe as always, and mabuhay po tayong lahat sa man tayo naroon ng mundo. Kung kayo nasa Pilipinas, if you live in the Visayan region, in the island of Visayan, please be careful and be safe, because Typhoon Tino is there right now. It's signal number 4 over there. So please be safe and take care, and God bless you all, and pray for the Philippines, and take care everyone, and God bless us all, and thank you for watching. See you again soon for the next vlog. and have a good evening here in Maryland, USA. So long and bye. God bless and love you guys. Good vibes only and love everyone and love one another. So close to holiday is close to Thanksgiving and Christmas. So take care and God bless. And thank you for watching. See you again soon and God bless us all. Take care and have a good evening to you all. Bye. See you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless you all.